Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of my trip to Punta Cana. I am currently here in Denver. I just arrived not too long ago from LA, and we're going to be going up to Denver's United Club. This is my first time ever being in United's terminal here at the Denver International Airport. So anyways, oh wow, this United Club is so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. But I don't have that much time here. I have a pretty tight connection, so I'm just going to get something to eat really quickly, and I'm going to head back downstairs. Hopefully I have some more time on my leg coming back from Punta Cana because I'll be going through Denver again, but let's just eat real quick and enjoy some of these views before I have to go. Alrighty guys, so I just exited the United Club. Now I'm going to my gate A30 here in Denver, and we have a special airplane taking us to Punta Cana today. As you can see, this is a 737 MAX 8 in United's Together sticker livery. So that is really cool. Let's get on this bird and head to Punta Cana. I forgot to mention, I booked this leg in first class, so we are here in seat 3A, as you guys can see. This is just like any other first class seat on any United MAX 8. So if you've seen my flight I took from Houston to Fort Lauderdale, that was also on a MAX 8, so you know what that seat is like, and I don't have to explain much. So anyways, please enjoy the views as we make our way out of Denver and to the Caribbean. Alrighty guys, so we are at an altitude well above 10,000 feet, so that means let's go ahead and whip out the tray table. So today for my flight to Punta Cana, I pre-ordered the breakfast sandwich, which also comes with a croissant and chia seed pudding, as well as a Diet Coke that I chose for my drink. So anyways, I'm gonna devour this and probably get some sleep for the next 4 hours as we make our way to Punta Cana. Yeah. So the meal was really good. I closed my window shade so that way other passengers could rest as well. And yeah, we have about 4 hours left until we land in Punta Cana. So I will wake up whenever I wake up and I will see you then. Okay guys, I just woke up from my nap. As you can see, we are an hour and 32 minutes out from Punta Cana. We are currently over the Atlantic near the Bahamas right now, but still have my window shade closed because other passengers are still sleeping or trying to rest maybe. So I don't want to bother anyone. I'm going to wait until someone else opens their window shade and then open mine. But it looks like they're starting to serve drinks again, so I'm going to get another Diet Coke just in case this might be the last service before we land in Punta Cana.
pushback pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any question you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel 18. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partner, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Once the passenger sign is turned up, please stay clear of the door area to allow the flight attendant to complete important safety duty. Thank you and welcome to Punta Cana.
Alrighty guys, so I just landed here in Punta Cana, and wow, look at that, an Edelweiss A340 that just came in. I never get that at LAX, so I'm very lucky, I guess, to catch that here in Punta Cana. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any travel videos.